Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an incredibly effective full-body workout that you can do with just a pair of dumbbells in under 30 minutes, you are in the right place. Today, we're smashing a 30-minute full-body dumbbell routine that will help you build strength, boost your metabolism, and torch calories, all from the comfort of your home. No fancy gym equipment needed, just you, your energy, and a set of dumbbells. Grab a weight that's challenging but allows you to maintain good form. Let's get started. All right, team, first things first, we need to warm up. This is crucial for preventing injuries and getting your muscles ready to work. We've got 4 minutes of dynamic movements. Follow along. Let's go. Nice and easy to start, getting that heart rate up. Big circles, loosen up those shoulders. Push those hips back, chest up, preparing those legs. Nice and controlled, opening up the hips. Keep that core engaged, twisting through the midsection. Excellent work. You should be feeling warm and ready. Take a quick sip of water if you need it. We're about to dive into our main workout. Our main workout is split into 2 circuits, each with 3 exercises. We'll hit each exercise for 45 seconds, then take a short 15-second rest to transition. We'll complete 3 rounds of Circuit 1 before moving to Circuit 2. I'll be right here doing it with you, coaching you through every rep. First up, the dumbbell goblet squat. Hold one dumbbell vertically against your chest. Feet shoulder-width apart. We're driving through the heels, pushing those hips back, chest up. Let's go, 45 seconds. Deep breaths. Keep that chest proud. Squeeze at the top. Good job. Quick 15-second rest. Get ready to hit the floor for our next move. Next, we've got the dumbbell floor press. Lie on your back, knees bent. Dumbbells up, palms facing forward. Control the movement down until your triceps hit the floor, then press back up. Focus on squeezing that chest. Let's do it. Exhale as you press. Keep your core tight. Don't rush it. Awesome. All right, quick transition back to standing. And for our last exercise in Circuit 1, it's the bent-over dumbbell row. Hinge at your hips, back flat, core engaged. Pull those dumbbells up towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Feel that in your back. Go. Keep that neck neutral. Imagine squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades. Don't let your back round. Fantastic job! That's round 1 of Circuit 1 done. Take a full 60-second rest. Grab some water. Catch your breath. We've got 2 more rounds of that exact sequence coming up. You've got this. Round 2. Let's go. Push hard through those squats. Remember that chest squeeze on the floor press. Last set of rows in this circuit. Give it everything you've got. Yes, Circuit 1 is done and dusted. Give yourselves a quick pat on the back. Take another 60-second rest, a big gulp of water. We're moving on to Circuit 2 next, hitting some different muscle groups. Feeling strong? All right, new circuit, new challenges. First up in Circuit 2, alternating dumbbell lunges. Hold a dumbbell in each hand. Step forward, drop that back knee towards the ground, and push back up. Keep that front knee directly over your ankle. Let's go. 45 seconds. Controlled movements. Balance is key. Engage that core. Awesome. Feeling those legs already. Quick rest. Get ready for overhead press. Next, the standing dumbbell overhead press. Bring those dumbbells up to your shoulders, palms facing forward. Press straight up, nice and strong, fully extending those arms. Bring it back down with control. Power through, team. Keep that core engaged to protect your back. Full range of motion. Don't shrug your shoulders. Woo, shoulders are burning. Last one in this round, renegade rows. All right, last exercise of the round, renegade rows. Get into a high plank position, hands on your dumbbells. Keep those hips still and alternate pulling each dumbbell up towards your chest. This is a full body burner and a core killer. If it's too much, just hold a solid plank. Brace your core, minimize hip sway, slow and controlled. Yes, 1 round of Circuit 2 down. You're doing amazing. Take your 60-second rest. Water break. We have 2 more rounds of those 3 exercises. Dig deep, you're almost there. Round 2. Power through those lunges. Shoulders on fire for this press. Let's go. Last set of renegade rows for the whole workout. Finish strong. That's it. You crushed the main workout. Unbelievable effort, everyone. Take a moment, catch your breath. You worked hard. Now let's cool down properly to help those muscles recover. We've earned this cool down. This is just as important as the workout itself. Hold each stretch for about 30 seconds. Pull that heel towards your glute. Feel the stretch in the front of your thigh. Reach for those toes, keeping a slight bend in the knee if needed. Lie down, cross one ankle over the other knee. Gently pull in. Great for the glutes. Find a doorway or just open up your arms. Really expand that chest. Relax, breathe deeply, let everything go. Reward yourself for that hard work. And that, my friends, is your 30-minute full-body dumbbell workout complete. If you enjoyed this workout, please hit that like button, leave a comment below to let me know how you felt, and subscribe for more effective home workouts just like this one. I release new videos every week. Keep pushing, keep showing up, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!